Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 216 and today I'll show you how you can change wallpaper in this device. So at first you have to go for the menu, then scroll to the settings, go for the display settings, and right now go for the wallpaper. Right now we can go for the default wallpapers that we have on our device, or we can also pick photo. But when I enter here I don't have any photos, so let's focus on the default wallpapers. And as you can see, we got here only 3 wallpapers, but we can, for example, set this blue wallpaper. So click to view. That's how it looks. You can tap on the right to go for another wallpaper. I think that this one is the best, so let's click choose. And as you can see here, we can also change position of this wallpaper, but I think that I'm going to simply get to fit to the display. Click choose, and when we go back, as you can see, there we got our new wallpaper, and that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.